Whenever a teacher asks me that he or she wants to create his or her own website, what tools will you recommend? I always say there is no other choice. There is only one choice, and that choice is WordPress. But the problem is, even with the WordPress, there are so many options. If you look into the WordPress.org website, you will find that it is full of plugins and full of themes. This means you have a lot of options to select from themes, and similarly, in order to do one work, you can select a lots of plugins. Again, teacher leads to the state of confusion. So again, I have to come forward and tell her or him that see, select these themes, select these plugins, and you are good to go. It's happening from a long time now. So what I thought with this ET mantra, I thought that why not I offer a perfect package with the selected themes, selected plugins that are good for a teacher and that they are easy to use as well, and offer a solution to teachers with required training. And this is why I have done some homework. I selected teachers' requirement, not only teachers' requirement, but teachers, coachings, and schools, colleges requirement, and I build a solution. That solution is that I will provide a hosting service, WordPress pre-installed on it, all the themes, plugins pre-installed on it that I recommend generally, and they all will come with our training so that teachers can go through the training module and develop their websites themselves. You may be wondering that this type of solution may be very costly, but this is not the case. When I started calculating, then I find out that if 100 teachers are buying this service from me, I can actually offer it at just 5,000 rupees per year. So by paying 5,000 rupees per year, you are getting 1 GB hosting. You will get Extra Theme and Extra Pro add-ons. You will get Schema Pro that will allow your website to be search friendly. You will get Convert Pro that will act as a marketing tool for your services product that you are going to offer in future. You will get Elementor, which is a drag and drop page builder. This means you do not need to worry about learning any HTML, any CSS or any kind of coding. You will get Extra Theme. This means you will have a power to give a complete different look and feel to your WordPress website. And because it is WordPress, so later if you want to sell your courses, you can do it with this. If you want to sell digital assets like ebooks, you can do it with WordPress easily. The path is this. So right now with this 5,000 rupees, you are going to get basic WordPress hosting. Later, the same knowledge and same thing can be converted to e-commerce website. And later, after that, you can convert your website into a full-fledged learning management system. With the same knowledge, you do not need to change the knowledge. The same knowledge will be used with additional knowledge. And whenever it comes to additional knowledge, I will give you that additional knowledge to you. Those who have never developed their own website, for them this information seems little impossible. They find that it is little difficult to make their own WordPress website. This is why what I am doing, I am offering the course for free to you. So there is a course, the link to the course is given in the description of this video. Simply go to that link, subscribe to that free course. You do not need to worry about paying anything. When you think that you are comfortable, then buy a basic hosting, or in fact, you can buy a demo hosting for 100 rupees for 7 days. In the 7 days, you can try, you can see if this is perfect fit for you, then only you go for 1 year hosting package. Otherwise, it's okay to leave it out. The only thing that you are not getting with this hosting package is a domain name that you can buy from anywhere. In the course itself, I'll tell you how to buy it and how to map that domain name with the hosting that we are providing to you. You have two options. Either you can buy a domain name and then connect it immediately with the hosting package, or you can keep working on a subdomain that we are offering to you, and then you create your website in 7 or 10 days, and then you shift it to your domain. .com domain costs around 700-800 rupees. So it's basically hosting package plus domain name. And we are providing everything to you that is required to create your own online presence. Not only I will talk about the technical knowledge, but I will also talk about inspiration. I will show you different websites and tell you how other people are using it. What is their formula of success and how you can take the same approach and build the same thing in your WordPress website. So I'll be your guide throughout your website creation process. To the best of my knowledge, the experience that I have gained from last 10-11 years, I have created a generic solution that will be helpful to teachers, coaching centers, schools and colleges. Not only this, I am also giving 2000 rupees discount for first 30 teachers who will subscribe to the hosting service. Remember, course is free, hosting is chargeable. I hope your experience with this hosting will be smooth. I will see you in my next video now. Namaste.